Disabling two-factor authentication on WhatsApp is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into the account for which you want to disable two-factor authentication. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the three dots in the upper right corner for Android or go to the bottom right corner for iPhone to access the menu. Select settings from the drop-down options. Step 3. Navigate to account. In the settings menu, find and tap on the account option. This section contains various security and privacy settings related to your WhatsApp account. Step 4. Select two-step verification. Within the account settings, look for two-step verification. Tap on it to access the settings related to this feature. Step 5. Disable two-step verification. You will see an option to disable two-step verification. Tap on Disable and follow the prompts to confirm your choice. You may need to enter your 6-digit PIN to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be disabled on your WhatsApp account. Always remember to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and being cautious with your personal information.